Hello guys, welcome to Daily Dose by Finity. Talk about investments and the first name that pops in your mind is mutual funds. They are suitable for all age groups of investors. Given below are a few basic investing pointers that can guide you while making effective investments in mutual funds. 1. Ascertain the returns expectations. This will help you in selecting the type of mutual fund that meets the investment goals, for example, fixed income funds, dividend funds, etc. 2. Set your investment budget and mode. Mutual funds provide the added advantage of investing in smaller amounts in a periodic fashion known as SIPs, that is, systematic investment plans. Thus, help you in investing as per your convenience. You can increase or decrease the amount that can be invested to suit your needs and balance your other commitments. 3. Assess your risk appetite. A correct estimation of the risk-reward ratio will be of great help in choosing the funds that match your profile. This way, you will not be thrown in the deep end and can also have a balanced portfolio. 4. Set your investment goals. It is good to tie your investment to a goal like buying a house, paying for your kids' education, your retirement, etc., so that you know what you are investing for. 5. Go DIY or choose professional help to invest. The professional fund managers can assist you by picking the right funds that match your investment objectives. Or you can also use app-based investment platforms like Finity, where you can easily invest in direct mutual funds based on solid research-based recommendations. 6. Invest based on investment objective. Investors can create a portfolio with a combination of one or more funds that meet their requirements and can also provide them with the benefit of added diversification. 7. Monitor your investments regularly. 8. Know the tax laws. There are many tax-saving schemes that can help you not only save tax but also build a corpus that will eventually generate higher returns. For this, knowing the tax laws is essential as it will help you in making informed decisions. Hope these points help. For more tips like these, follow our YouTube channel and Instagram page. Happy investing!